with 2 hands in the final game. In here, he opens all of them with 2 hands. Next up, we have the rolling with the blades, and the forward evade got changed. And the demo is the same forward roll from God of War 1 and 2. In the final game, it got refined and changed a little, and I like it. I like the final game more. Next up, we have the bow of Apollo. In the demo, it's way slower than what you can do with it in the final game. And it left this blur behind the arrow, which looks horrible. They fixed it in the final game. Thank you. So I jumped down in usual fashion with the good old Hyperion Ram, and boy was I having fun with this attack of the Nemean Cestus. It's like I'm about to cry for this attack. Why'd they remove it? Anyways, I forgot. Here's the L1 and X with the Cestus in the air. Nothing crazy, the same as the air triangle. After clearing the enemies up, I was greeted with a centaur, and these enemies, they changed in the final game. Anyways, the centaur's rush QTE changed to the analog QTE in the final game, and the rest is the same. Moving on, I found something very interesting, and again, it got me sad that it didn't make it to the full game. The Nemean Cestus parry, and you even had 2 options, square